Ever wondered how cricket, a game of bat and ball, has become a global sensation? This sport, often referred to as the strategic combat of bat and ball, has a rich and fascinating history. Cricket first made its appearance in the 16th century in England. Since then, it has spread across the world, captivating millions with its unique combination of strategy, skill, and suspense. The game of cricket is played with a bat, a ball, and a set of stumps. The batsman uses the bat to hit the ball while the bowler aims to knock down the stumps. The stumps act as a guard, protecting the batsman from being dismissed. A cricket match is divided into innings, with one team batting and the other fielding. Each innings consists of a set number of overs, each over comprising 6 balls. There are various ways for a player to be dismissed: caught, leg before wicket, and stumping, to name a few. Among the many cricket tournaments held worldwide, the World Cup and the Indian Premier League stand out. The World Cup is a global competition between nations, while the Indian Premier League is an annual tournament held in India, featuring a mix of international and domestic players. However, cricket isn't just about the victories, it's also about heartbreaking moments that are etched into the hearts of fans. In conclusion, cricket is more than just a game. It's a phenomenon that not only sparks conversations about titles and records, but also brings people together from around the world. So, the next time you see a cricket match, remember, you're witnessing a piece of a centuries-old tradition that's evolved into a beloved global sport.